Illustrator tutorials. There are billions of Illustrator tutorials on YouTube because there are billions of graphic designers worldwide. The main focus is logo design in the realm of Illustrator. There are many types of logo design, but this video specifically focuses on grid system logo design. First step. Make a grid. Use the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Select, copy, and paste it. A decrease in the size of the ellipse is recommended. 5 times copy, paste, and decrease the size continuously. Use the line segment tool and draw the line. Hold down the Alt key and drag. Press Ctrl+D to make a duplicate. Please select the lines, right-click, choose Transform, and then select Rotate. Rotate them 90 degrees and then copy. Select both objects. Use the Shape Builder tool. Pick the black color and follow my instructions. Use Magic Wand tool and delete the lines. Easy and interesting way to create a grid system logo design. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Drop your ideas and feedback in the comments, and let us know how you found this video. See you next time.